In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now this works exactly the same regardless of whatever device you're using, whether it's iPhone or Android. So all you want to go ahead and do is open up your application. It's going to look like this. You're going to be on your camera page. Now if you want to make a public profile, you got to go to the top left where it has your profile icon. Now, once you're here, you're going to see your different account settings. And all you want to do, you're going to see two tabs under your name and username. You're going to see My Account, which is what you're on currently. And then you're also going to see Public Profile. If you haven't ever made one, it's still going to be there. You just got to hit Public Profile. It's then going to ask you to give it a name. And, you can literally give it anything you want. And then you're going to be prompted onto this page. So you're going to see Stories, Spotlight, and Insights. So I'll run you through everything. Stories are snaps to add to your public profile from your post archive or camera roll, and they basically highlight any memories. Now, Spotlight is more so the public page, so people can discover you using Spotlight. It's kind of like, let's say TikTok or Instagram Reels. It's that, but for Snapchat instead. So you can use different hashtags and things like that. Hope people find you using Snapchat Spotlight, and they'll appear here. Now, the next one is Insights. So it says learn more about your audience insights. This basically means anything that you've posted, like let's say, anything you posted on Spotlight or your stories, you're going to know the demographic, when people are watching, what videos are the most popular, things like that. On the top left, you can click that pencil icon and you can select any image from your camera roll to add as your profile picture as well. If you press the pencil on the top right, you can add a bio if you want to as well. Show follower count. You can edit the background image if you want to. So for example, let's just say I wanted to use this as the background image. I could do that right now. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to let us know in the comments what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future.